In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the top 3 platforms you can use to get your taxes filed for free. But if this is the first time we've met, my name's Kip Lewis. I'm a certified public accountant currently working in the public accounting industry. I have my master's degree in accountancy with an emphasis in taxation, and I also graduated with my bachelor's degree in accounting, where I graduated magna cum laude. What does that mean? It basically means that I've spent a lot of time and put a lot of effort into learning the tax laws and regulations so that you don't have to. But let's get to the video. There are 3 platforms that I've chosen that are probably the top 3 you can use to get your taxes filed for free. In this video, we're going to be talking about TurboTax. The very first thing that I want to say is you can have your federal and state taxes filed for free up to $34,000. So if you make less than 34 grand, then you can file with them for free. Now the big benefit of this really is the state tax return, especially if you're in a state that has more difficult tax laws, such as California, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, New York. Getting your taxes filed for free at the state level is huge, and so that's a major benefit that TurboTax offers. Another benefit is they have on-call assistance. TurboTax has people on call for you for when you get stumped or when you get stuck. Great benefit. Another benefit of TurboTax is they use really basic lingo. They don't use a lot of tax terms, they don't use a lot of words that may not be part of your vocabulary, and that's great. Anyone can just get in there and they can use it. I put this first on my list because TurboTax is what I used while I was a student. Before I knew taxes, before I knew accounting, I used TurboTax, and it worked out really well for me. Also, TurboTax is run by a company called Intuit. Now, Intuit has a lot of different products, a lot of different programs that they have available for the accounting industry. I use some of their products on a daily basis at my job. And so Intuit itself is a company that I trust, and therefore by extension, I trust using TurboTax. Okay, let's talk about some of the cons of TurboTax. Now, I mentioned earlier the filing threshold for TurboTax is $34,000. That's not a lot, and that's also assuming that you have a basic return that you're preparing. That means you don't have any 1099 miscellaneous, you don't have any brokerage statements, a lot of things that are considered advanced tax return items. If you have any of those, you're going to start paying. You can make above the $34,000 range if you're on active military duty. And there's also a few other stipulations that we're not going to cover. But basically, if you're making less than that $34K, you should be good. If you're making over it, you're going to start paying. Another thing to be aware of is the people that you call on the phone that you're asking for assistance from, I don't know what their credentials are. They could be certified public accountants, they could be enrolled agents, they could just be Joe Schmo off the road. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, I encourage you to look for my other 2 video reviews on free filing platforms to use in 2019. For more tax tricks and tips, tune in next time.